Hi guys, Holly here with US Global Investors. Welcome back to part 5 of our video series, How to Invest, a Beginner's Guide. Today we'll do a deep dive into ETFs. Let's recap really quick. An ETF is a type of security that involves a collection of securities, such as stocks, that track an underlying index. ETFs can invest in many different sectors and use different strategies. For example, did you know there's an ETF that invests in video games and technology? Another ETF invests in the airlines industry. These are examples of very niche ETFs. More commonly, you'll see investors putting their money into more macro ETFs, like those tracking the S&P 500. Because an ETF trades on an exchange, just like a stock, the price of its shares will change throughout the trading day based on supply and demand. People invest in ETFs for many different reasons: to make money, to speculate, to hedge off risk. Whatever the reason, there's surely an ETF for you out there. Another positive to investing in ETFs is that their fees are relatively cheap compared to a mutual fund. Always be sure to look at the expense ratio, or the fee that an ETF charges. So, how do you invest in an ETF? Well, here's some good news. Unlike mutual funds, ETFs do not have a minimum investment requirement, meaning you can invest as much or as little as you like. First step, open a brokerage account. This could be with Robinhood, Schwab, or E-Trade. Second step, choose your ETF and let your money go to work. To be notified when we post a new video in this ongoing series, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel below. You can also learn more at usfunds.com. Happy investing!